Welcome to the brief tutorial, How to enable and use the feature Automatic Table and Column Creation. Step 1 is to enable the feature in the client settings. Open the client setting and go to Automatic Table and Column Creation. Turn the feature on for everyone or only for specified security groups. Step 2. Create a database connection. Open the tab Automatic Tables and Columns Creation and select the third type. This database connection is used for creating new database tables and columns only. With this database connection, you can create another one. Select the second type. This database connection type combines both types and assign the firstly created database connection. Now you can create tables or columns without the need to predefine the table in the database. When creating a new business case, select as Target Table, Create New Data Storing Table. Click Next. Select the features you want to use and add your widgets. With the first widget added, you have to define the column name and also the table name. Then assign the desired data type and click Create. Now the table is created and contains one column. If you have more questions, please contact the support.